You see my, can you see my screen now? Boleh ya?
No.
No.
Oh, I haven't shared anything yet. Okay, so hold on. Now okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I think before I hold on, I think I need to already. Okay. I think I would like to answer the questions posed by Zulaika just now. Uh, for the forceps and scalpels, so you have to, what they call it, you have to sterilize them frequently. Okay, so how to do this is actually is using uh, using flame uh, pasteurization. So that means you dip into the 95% ethanol. Okay, let's say you dip inside for a few seconds and then you take it out. Okay, and then you apa ni flame lah. Okay, using the alcohol lamp. Okay, by flaming. Okay, so that is how we stir out our forceps and scalpels lah. Okay, so I hope I answering your questions. Any more questions? Okay, ask whether we should mask when culturing the plant. Okay, good. So this is also a good questions. Well, it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, but now actually no choice, right? So you have to put your face mask on all the time. So now I think apa ni is a it's a common practice now, under a new norm. Yeah, so I think before pandemic, some students actually they wear the face mask. Some didn't lah. But actually it's good also. Okay, apa need to put your face mask on lah. It's good also lah. Okay, because this is to prevent you know uh, the what they call it, the contamination, the sources of contamination from ourselves. That means from the tissue cultures lah. Okay, any more questions? So I hope okay, no questions. Okay, so I just remember that I have a video clip okay, prepared by my master student last time about the surface sterilization. So I am going to share this to play this video. I think yesterday I totally apa ni, I forgotten about this. So you are lucky lah. Okay, so okay. Can you hear the sounds? The background music? Ada kan?
Ada.
Ada. Okay, good. Okay. So okay, before that, this is an example of surface sterilization. Okay, of orchid, the orchid capsule. This one is actually endangered orchid from Borneo, from Sarawak actually. So there's the example of a surface sterilization. Any more questions? Okay, no questions. Okay. Any more questions regarding LU4? If not, I would like to move on to next lecture. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Okay, can. Okay, next, I would like to share with you is our practical class, online practical class. So because you know you are not here physically, so that means I cannot invite you to my lab. Okay, to what they call it to have the physical practical class. So just a bit unfortunate, a bit unfortunate. Okay, so what you need to do here is very straightforward for our practical class. So what you need to do is, I'm sure you already have your own group already, so I don't think I need to emphasize this again about the grouping. Okay, so this is the group work, so only submit one lab report. Okay, one report per group. So what you need to do is you were given you will be given one article, so you have to read and understand the article given, and then you prepare a lab report in the form of infographic. Dalam bentuk infographic, satu muka surat saja, one page only infographic. By focusing on the method used and also results. You focus on but you have to read and understand the article first. Okay, only then you discuss with your members. Okay, how to design. You know how to design your infographic. Okay, by focusing on the method. Okay, what methods we use and also the results. Okay, and then submission last submit the due date is 5th of January 5th of January 2022 next year. Okay, then so I just give you one example this is the example of infographic that I'm looking for. Okay, so that means at least you have some idea. Okay, how to prepare the infographic. So you should have the objective okay, and then means you have to introduce okay, what's the species, okay, what is the problem, the problem statement, so on and so forth. Then you focus on the methods. So this is the method. So this is the method. Okay, yeah, this is the method. So this for this infographic is they are inducing the colors. Okay, you can see first is surface sterilization. Okay, the surface the leaf. Okay, using Clorox. Okay, then they induce the colors. Then after that, so induction. Okay, so induction, routing, and then acclimatization. So this is the method that they use. But this one they didn't include the results. But I want you to include the results as well. So that means for your infographic, you should have 4 sections. First is the introduction, the methods, the results, and last one is the references. The references. Okay. So this is the article. You can download this article from Ellipse. From Ellipse. So actually all the important information you can get it from the abstract. Okay. So these are the important information. Actually, the summary of this article. Okay. This is the the background and also the objective. So actually, for these articles, our aim actually is to establish. So actually, we are describing the what they call it an efficient micropropagation protocol for kelampaian. Through direct organogenesis using nodal explant. And the methods that we use the nodal explant. Okay, nodal explant. And then the medium we use Gembok B5. And then we use BAP. BAP is one of the synthetic hormone of cytokinin, BAP. And then for routing, we use a half B5. That means a half strength B5, medium, and then supplemented with IBA, NAA, and PPZ. So this one actually is our experiment. Okay, we try to find out which auxin is the best for routing. So from here is PPZ. PPZ is the best for routing of kelampaian, for kelampaian. And then so on and so forth. And then this is the conclusion, so on and so forth. So these are the things that I want you to do. Okay, so these are the things that I want you to do. That means for your infographic, you should include the objective, material, the methods, the results, and also the references. So the references is here. You have to cite this reference. You have to cite this reference. And for the photos, you can use this. Okay, these photos lah. Okay. For your info, graphic. Okay, clear? Any questions? And make sure the due date is 5th of January, 2022. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Please give me 2 or 3 minutes for explaining this. Okay, for our lab report. So make sure that you have to include, all the things that I asked you to do. That means the introductions should include the justification. Okay, why we conduct this study, and also the objective, and then the methods, that we use. So you have to design, okay, discuss with your friends, okay, how to design the methods. So you have to show me some drawing, some drawing, something like this. Okay, step by step. And also something like this, okay, step by step. Okay, how we do this. Okay, and the results you can use this. Okay, you can use some of the results from this article. Boleh? Okay, boleh ya? Just one page only ya, satu muka saja, because this is infographic, one page only ya. Okay, can boleh? Any questions? Boleh ya?
Boleh, Dokter. Okay, Dokter.
Boleh ya. So, okay, very good. I think nanti sekejap. I want just okay. I think you can get all the information from here. Okay, so from the ellipse. So this is the submission link. I also provide the recorded lecture. This one is last year punya lah. Okay, and then this is the example of infographic, and this is the article lah. Okay, so you have to. I want you to go through this article, you read and understand lah. Okay, how we establish the micropropagation protocol of kelampaian. Actually, it's not as straightforward lah. Okay, so this one actually is from my the results. Okay, what they call it, from my master student lah. Okay, so she spent 1.5 years to establish the protocol, and then another 6 months for thesis writing lah. So basically, so it's about two years lah. Okay, for her to complete her master study lah. Okay, and then you may refer to this the tables, the results. Okay, so you can see here we are also getting some calories. You can see here. So these are the calories. Yeah. Okay, calories. Sometimes if the concentration is too high, if the PAP concentration is too high, actually it's not good for the plant. You can see some necrosis. Okay, you can see here, there are some necrosis. That one actually is due to a high PAP concentration. So that's why we have to reduce the PAP concentration. And this one is for the routing. We also try using different auxin, different auxin, NAA, IPA, and PBZ. Then we found out the PBZ is the best. So, okay, I also want you to, means you have to go through this, the article, so that you have a better idea, better understanding. Okay, before you prepare the infographic. You can see this one, acclimatizations. We managed to overcome this. You can see the percentage is very high, 96%, 97%. Sangat tinggi. So that's the way of doing this. So if you read this, our articles, you might not get all the details, because some of the details we didn't report it here. Okay, I think it's very common. If you read other articles also, there are a lot of things that they didn't report, So when you read, actually you also don't know. Okay, what are the things? What are the missing points? The important points. So those are the business secret. Okay, boleh. So I think only 8 pages only. So until here 8 pages only. So I want you to read. Okay, boleh. Okay. Any questions regarding the infographic? Okay, thumbs up minta ada lah. Thank you. So if no questions, I think I would like to end my lecture here. Okay. Actually, I want to continue LU5, but I think I want to end my lecture here. So later on for LU5, actually I have the recorded video. So later on I will upload. I will upload the recorded video. So you may refer to the recorded video. So I think just now I also share with you the WhatsApp, right? Regarding the this week actually, that means starting from tomorrow until 29, right? Until next Wednesday. So tak ada synchronous lecture. That means online lecture like this lah. So that is because of the bencana banjir. So I think what I will do is that I will because you already have the lecture notes and also the recorded video, right? So maybe what I can do is I will give you some quiz online quiz lah. So that means you have to read those notes, the LU5, the cell and tissue culture techniques. Okay, you baca, and then I want you to answer the quiz lah, the online quiz. Boleh? Can? Boleh? So just to let you know in advance, so next week kita tak ada kuliah, maksudnya online lecture like this, tapi kita